Okay, so in this video we're gonna unbox the IdeaCentre AIO 27ERH9. So it comes with keyboard, first I have to do with one hand, wireless plastic keyboard and a mouse. Seems very nice. And in this other box we have the power outlet, UK and the European power outlet or power cord, and it comes in a box like this. I will pause for a while now. So it comes in a nice wrapping. Here we can see the ports, but I will unwrap it now for the next part. So you can only tilt. It has a wireless charging here for the phone that supports it, or any devices. Here on the right side there is the camera shutter or privacy button. I guess this just disables the camera, and I think this is the power button here. And we have here one HDMI, the power outlet, one USB-A, I think it's called USB-A, Ethernet port, one USB. I think this one is another USB-A. I don't know what this means. Maybe it's more powerful or it supports more power. And another HDMI port. And here we have one USB-C and a port for the audio devices, aux port. So that's pretty much it.